How to disable autoplay in Crunchyroll. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you easily through the process if you would like to do so. So let's just get started. So what you may do is you can head over to crunchyroll.com and you may just head over to one of the shows and look out for one of the episodes that you're watching. And once you are there, you should be finding this video being played. You can just go ahead and play the video. Now, if you would like to disable autoplay in Crunchyroll, what you need to do is locate up the video. After that, locate up the settings icon within the video. It is usually located in the bottom left corner like this, right beside the resize icon. You can look out for settings option, click on it. And once you click on it, we will be finding autoplay option. Right now it is turned on. If you would like to disable it, you just need to go ahead and click on it, confirm it, and the next video won't be autoplayed, which means this feature has been disabled in Crunchyroll. So therefore, that is it. You may also follow the same process if you would like to do the same. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.